Yeah, call ladies and gentlemen, a matter of love. Oh, that's why I carry you go India. I know say if they talk about love, I went India, I want a lot of love. But ladies and gentlemen, jealousy is a very bad thing. Oh. One man don't kill his wife, consistent photo, he say wait till she gets to pay the price in it. Ó ní pé kíní kan má ṣe lo oògùn mọ́mọ́ ẹni tó bá ṣe tẹ́nìkan ò ṣe rí ojú rẹ̀ á rí tẹ́nìkan ò rí rí. Person wey do something wey another person never do before, he gats to see wetin another person never see before. Oh, that na why the man come kill him own wife on top say the wife wetin dey do oyinbo dey call adultery, that is to say ó ń fọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ̀yìn jẹ́ ń ṣu, she dey go do wetin another person dey chop her yam behind the man. A 25-year-old man wey im name na Bello Muhe, dem say dem don catch am o, wọ́n ní im machete im wife, that is to say ó ṣáyàwó ẹ̀ pa ni, wey her name na Use Ali. On top wetin, on top say the woman dey do wetin oyinbo dey call adultery, that is to say owó kí la fẹ́ pe léyìí náà Ọlọ́run máa ṣàánú wa. For Niger State na him for happen, we say the guy call, they say the guy vessel when he dey hear say im wife no be today, no be once, no be twice, gbọmọgbọmọ níyàwó rẹ̀ ń ṣe ife ọ̀tọ̀, that is to say a máa kó omi kan lọ́bọ̀ ibì kan ni for inside her parents home o. If after the husband don send the wife go meet her parents pé mọ́ lọ́dọ̀ àwọn tó ní ọ́, they say even for inside the house of her parents she still no stop o, she still dey run package o. According to the man, only I use machete take kill her ni, on top say she no dey hear my instruction o. Mo ní pé kó yé ṣe kí ni, kó yé sùn kiri bí ajá, but my wife no hear o. That na why I come look and say wetin I fit do am o. Na here I come reason am say na to do am strong thing. Ladies and gentlemen, ẹ dákun ẹ gbà mí, ẹ gbà ní ẹra ní kalẹ̀, ẹ dákun ẹ gbà ní ẹ làjà, Ọlọ́run máa ṣàánú wa, Ọlọ́run máa ṣàánú wa. This guy kill the woman, he still no regret o. The guy still dey talk am say she gats to pay for wetin she do ni, because say I warn am o, I tell am o, she no hear me ni o, and that na why I do am like this. Ọlọ́run máa ṣàánú wa, Ọlọ́run máa ṣàánú wa, Ọlọ́run máa ṣàánú wa. Ladies and gentlemen, jealousy no good o. You say she doesn't have jealousy, now still jealousy, my brother. Jealousy, banana, jealousy, banana. Jealousy is the root of hatred. Jealousy is the root of hatred. Jealousy is the root of all hatred. Ìwà láìjà láìtẹ́ ìbámọ̀ kẹ́ ẹ lọ́mọ. Ìwọ tó bá ń jowú, according to Chief Commander Ebenezer Obey, wọ́n ní owú jíjẹ bó ṣe wà fóbìnrin bẹ́ẹ̀ ló wà fọkùnrin. But ladies and gentlemen, wọ́n ní kò wá sí kẹ́ni mọ́ ní lára àpọ̀jù ní òṣùwọ̀n. I no say make you no jealous, but no come jealous so tey you come go kill your own partner, your wife o. My brother, my sister, e no make brain. Hey, Ba-da-da-da-da! Ọlọ́run o, Ọlọ́run o, Ọlọ́run o, Ọlọ́run o. Baba God make you have mercy on this country. E be like say people wey don dey carry their criminality, they don dey carry am go another level. You say wetin I see again, you come and hear this one, come and see this one. No, one man wey dem don catch am money and tell say wetin, they say the man do a small girl strong thing. Ó ṣe ọmọ lọ́mọ ṣákaṣáka. Ladies and gentlemen, this guy wey I dey look him eyes, ìkòrókòró tó tojú kàńtàkàńtà yìí. Wetin dem say the guy do? They say the guy rape a girl of 11 years old. La ila ilala. Where he for do am, he do am behind the church yo. Ọlọ́run máa ṣàánú wa. People no dey fear God again o. He go rape a small girl behind the house of God. When they come ask am, nko, only she so beautiful, I cannot let her go. That is to say, ìfẹ́ rẹ̀ ló pa mí bí ọtí. Ọmọ ìlẹ́wà, Ọlọ́run máa ṣàánú wa. A 29-year-old man, Abdullahi Abubakar, they say he don do wetin. Ó ti fọwọ́ pa idà Ọlọ́run lójú. The guy don go violate the sanctity of one church yo. When he go rape an 11-year-old girl behind Ekwa Church for Barking Sale for Minna, Niger State. Minna kí wá ló ṣẹ̀yìn kan báyìí lónìí, Ọlọ́run máa ṣàánú wa. They say Abdullahi na he rape the small girl over 3 times in a lójú kan náà lẹ́sẹ̀ kan náà for the same spot o. And the God dey talk, he say èṣù ló jẹ̀bi, èṣù kọ́ ìwọ ló jẹ̀bi àbú ìwọ ló jẹ̀bi mọ́ parọ́ méṣù eléṣù. According to the guy call the suspect, dey catch am o after she rape the girl. He rape the girl again on the 12th of July. Abubakar ti jẹ́wọ́ o, he don confess wish o. Wetin Abubakar talk, he say he tell her o, he say he do the crime o, say he no know wetin dey come upon am o. He was o, I love that girl. That na why I do a strong thing. Last na why I freaking ni mo fi party cook mo fi bọ́mọ lọ́mọ lò pọ̀ Ọlọ́run máa ṣàánú wa. I love the small girl. She's so beautiful that I cannot let her go without making love to her. Ọlọ́run máa ṣàánú wa. And she dey always submit to me o, and I have been making love to her. Ọlọ́run máa ṣàánú wa lọ́wọ́ àwọn bọ̀dá àjàrà bùkà, àwọn bọ̀dá bọ̀dọ̀ fò. ó ní at least I have done it for more than 3 times. Kí ló dé ọmọ kékeré ọmọ 11 àbí how they hear wetin dey talk 29-year-old man dey talk say 11-year-old girl dey submit to am. Shey can you imagine ọmọ ọdún 11 which God marry? I don't know what has come over me, but I think I love the girl. I have messed up my life. Oh, look at me, 29-year-old man, having an affair with 11-year-old man. Ìdí ọdún ni yàrá ọ̀bọ ẹ̀wọ̀n nílẹ̀kẹ̀ díẹ̀. Ẹni tó bá ṣe tẹ́nìkan ò rí rí. Ladies and gentlemen, you say wetin? Make we judge this man. We no fit judge am. We no be God and we no be court. Na God go judge am and court go judge am too. Make dem give am the necessary and the required punishment. Kó lọ lo sáà lẹ́wọ̀n. Bóyá after he go do some time for prison, maybe the devil wey dey catch am, he go release am that time because say I no understand this particular matter. Ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn rí bákan bákan, ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn rùn létí. Kọ́lọ́hún ó ṣàánú wa, Kọ́lọ́hún ó ṣàánú wa, Kọ́lọ́hún ó ṣàánú wa. Kó má jẹ́ àṣekínni, kó má jẹ́ àbáwọn, kó má jẹ́ àkósọ́wọ́ àwọn ẹni bí. Mo ní wípé Allahumma hamid, Allahumma hamid. Allahumma hamid, Allahumma hamid, ẹni tí tẹ̀ ti jóná kò ní kó náà má ti wá. God, we call upon you. Bad people like this, we no go fall for their hand. Our children no go fall for their hand. Even our enemy no go fall for their hand. The Ọlọ́mọ jẹ́ àrùn kíníkíní wọ́n ní pé Ọlọ́run má bà mí nínú jẹ́ máma jẹ́ ń bá mùsíbà pàdé. Ọlọ́run má bà mí nínú jẹ́ Ọlọ́run má bà wá nínú jẹ́ mọ́jà báwọn ẹni bí pàdé sàní sàtáni àwùsùbí láàyè mẹ́nà ṣètáni rọ̀jímì. Okay. Bàlálàlàlà. Aha. Okay. Ẹ wò ó, ẹ tún wá wò ó, ọ̀rọ̀ rẹ o rẹpẹtẹ. You say wetin Ọlọ́run máa ṣàánú wa, Ọlọ́run máa tún ṣàánú wa. They don catch one guy for Akwa Ibom o, àwọn tí èjẹ́ ká kó fúnni lẹ́nu ọ̀rọ̀ sọ̀rí. Hey, na people like this make us no dey fit talk. He say jungle justice. At times, he say person no go know wetin he go talk on top the matter. They say the guy na suspected rapist o. That is to say afitipati kúnkùn bá nílò pọ̀. He come still dey thief join. They say they don catch am. Wọ́n wá wọ́n fi lùlù tẹ́ lọ́rùn. Ó dákú lọ gbọ̀nràngàdàn bí ẹni tẹ́mi ti bọ́ lára rẹ̀. E be like say the guy don die upon the beating wey dem give am for Akwa Ibom. They say a suspected rapist and thief. They say he come home within inches of death. That is to say, ó pọ̀ kàkà ikú, ó ń wo kú lọ́ọ̀kan báyìí. Wàláhì tàláhì wọ́n ní tí ń sẹ́mi ọ̀run mu. The guy don dey die small after dem catch am by the youth for Afaha Ube for Akwa Ibom State. According to people wey dey there, the suspect dey say na member of a 10-man gang. And wetin dem dey do for the area nko na to dey catch women make dem dey do dem strong thing by fire by force ní tipátì kúùkù kán máa ṣe kíni kán máa jálẹ̀kùn onílé wọlé and dem come still dey steal from dem o. We hear say the gang dem don dey terrorize the community no be today o. About 5 women na im dem don rape and rob dem by these bad people wey dem call themselves gangi o. Dem say dem suspect wọ́n wá ṣe kíni wọ́n lù wà láìtàláì ó dákú lọ gbọ́nrangandán ni o. Na so police come wey dem carry am dìgbàdìgbà go hospital. Àwọn ni òjì ó kú àwọn wọ́n lù bí kó kú ni. Ìyàjọ́ kìíní àná tí Júdásì jẹ kù. Na this guy na him chop the remaining. Na him chop the remnant of Judas Iscariot because say dem flog him wey dem flog am. Ladies and gentlemen, if you see the guy, oh God Almighty. Wọ́n ní pé kí ni tó bá láyà kó ṣìkà tó bá rántí kú gà kó sòótọ́. If you get mind, make you dey do bad. But if you see pictures like this, my brother, make you check your way. Because if they catch you, if they catch you, if they catch you, oh, I pity you, I pity your life. Ewo, we still dey on top the matter. We still dey on top the level. I don't know why they do me like Two-Face. Why they do me like Two-Face today? But how e get where they go gangan Two-Face. Make we do am like this. Make we do am like this. Make we do am like this. Innocent. Yuja Idibia, Baba ni Baba Olivia, Okoloko Hani. Oh yeah, let's see everything you guys to talk about this matter because of the matter. Be asked they get it. FM this 94.9. Your number one super duper buster master fire laughter down with the personal person, your brother man on the radio. AK for the summer, as the food never is simply come off. Never bag balagba. Come be the God on radio, me go losa. Wait the night, see they tell you. One in Tobalaya go say Kasabina here I talk finish now. Come and see one guy wey don disgrace himself and the family o. In video don dey trend for where e don dey trend for Instagram o. Ẹláwọn wo ló dáwọ́ jọ tán jọ ń nà la ìlà. People wey dem dey call ladies of Isi Bashu. That is to say, people wey dem dey call ladies of the red light district. Àwọn Yorùbá ní máa ń pè wọ́n lólówó nàbì. Àwọn ọmọ ìgboro máa ń pè wọ́n ní oníkíní kan ladies and gentlemen, they don gather together for gather o. Then they flog one guy ni àwọn kí náà máa ń pè wọ́n o àwọn ọmọ kí náà máa ń pè wọ́n oh God orúkọ yẹn sápá mi lórí báyìí àwọn olówó náà bíi àwọn àti ó ladies and gentlemen they don gather they beat one guy o wetin the guy do ó fẹ́ jalè kòró lè jà mọ́dẹ̀ say the guy go thief wetin go thief the phone of one of them aṣẹ́wó òsì for Wuse Zone 2 Abuja na so gbogbo olówó nàbì all the olóṣó wey dey for the area they come gather together they come dey beat this man ọlọ́run máa ṣàánú wa ọlọ́run mọ̀ níjẹ́ àṣì ẹ̀sìn alásàrè na this one dem dey call shame na better thing if better people dey beat you ọlọ́run dáríjì mi the one wey come dey beat am who gather hand dey beat this guy na people like am o wọ́n ní pé irú àrùn nírà hún he ọlọ́run ṣàánú wa irú ròǹbòrùn aṣọlé àwọn ọmọ èmi ọlọ́run ṣàánú wa wọ́n jẹ́ àṣìrìn padàdàdàdà òdòdòdòdò ladies and gentlemen I like this story. Although many people get problem with the story because they believe say na violation of rights, but maybe na violation of rights. I believe violation of rights, you go hear that for yourself by yourself. Oh, some boys wey dey terrorize one community for Imo State, dem say member of a group wey call àwọn ọmọ nǹkan ni wey be say dem dey terrorize the community wey dem call Amakoya. Dem say for where for Ihite and Uboma for Imo State. Wọ́n wá mú wọn wá sáàrin ìlú dem bring them come village square by the leaders of the community. Wọ́n wá bó ẹgba fún wọn tòrótòró. This one they call them communal flogging. Ladies and gentlemen, and the entire community na im gather o everybody come gather together. Wọ́n ṣe aláwo roboto àwo roboto aláwo fẹ̀fẹ̀. Na so 5 members of the group 24 strokes of cane ná fún ọ̀kọ̀ọ̀kan lára wọn. Àwọn tó kù yá dànù ìgbé àfẹ́wé. Inú mi dùn bàjẹ́. Ladies and gentlemen, àyà ọmọdé ni wèrè dì sí. No be me talk am na Bíbélì talk am o. Kí ló pẹ̀lú oògùn ẹ̀gbá ni before these children go come turn wetin dem come turn armed robber dem go turn kidnapper wey go dey terrorize the community. Àwọn àgbààgbà wá ṣe kíni wọ́n dá sẹ̀ríà fún wọn wọ́n ṣe kíni wọ́n dín dùndú yà jẹ wọ́n. 24 náà fọ́kọ̀ọ̀kan nu wọn ṣẹlẹ̀ lé ní ṣèbẹ́lẹ̀ ní kíni wọ́n lẹ́ ní wèrè ẹ̀ lárúmà. I will make I give you this one before I create it before I pay some bills and then we come start to receive phone call. Ẹ tún wá wo ọmọkùnrin kan tán so mọ́lẹ̀ bí ẹran. They don tie one man to stake o and they come dey flog am for Delta State. Wetin this one do? They say this one go rape a 7-year-old girl. Tẹ́ ẹ bá nà tán ẹ fà lọ́lọ́pàá lọ́wọ́ o. After you flog am abeg hand am over to police. They say my drama ṣẹlẹ̀ on Saturday afternoon for Warri Delta State as a middle-aged man wey dem call him name Tenimu aka Agua. Dem catch am o when e dey do strong thing to a 7-year-old pikin. They say there's some youth for the Odion community where the matter for shele na so dem come guide the guy o. Dem catch am o after dem admit say wetin after he admit to the crime o and the victim's parents he come dey do wetin wọ́n ti bẹ̀ wọ́n pé kí wọ́n bínú o. The youth nko dem say because of say dem no wan go report the matter to the police because of say wetin one of the punishment wey dey involve wọ́n wá so mọ́lẹ̀ bí ewúrẹ́ wọ́n so mọ́lẹ̀ bí igi Ọlọ́run máa ṣàánú wa. Dem come ṣe kíni wọ́n ní ìyà tí wọn ò lè ná kíni tí wọn ò lè ná ewúrẹ́ dem come dey flog this guy. The suspect dem say na àlòkù ẹlẹ́wọ̀n na ex-convict o and dem say the guy dey go prison dey come out like say him dey go back here the name e dey wetin e lure the victim to a hideout o na for there e go do the 7-year-old girl strong thing before dem catch am. Wọ́n wá so mọ́gi wọ́n wá fi ìyà Ọlọ́run o ẹ̀rọ pọ̀ làbúrò Sátánì ní ìyà tí wọ́n fi jẹ́. But ladies and gentlemen, I still dey beg them say after dem flog am finish make dem hand am over to police because this guy he needs a better punishment. He needs to be locked up.